how to mass unsend messages on Messenger. When you get into that file selection and you want to take off a lot of messages which are not important for you and you want to simply get and delete it. And for example, if you got on a site selection like this one and you type, for example, I don't know, that site section, and if you want to unsend that message, you're going to type and hold on it and then go on the last section, which is remove, and then go unsend on the first selection. As you can see, you have got an unsend a message. But in a case that you want to mass unsend messages more than one setup, it is available, but going to some applications which are not verified by Play Protect, which are not safe, and I don't recommend you to download these informations of all the stuff for these applications because they are not safe and it will bring you some viruses and other problems that could hurt your phone. This is why I recommend you to unsend message one by one and not get on a mass section.